It's April the 18th, 2014, about 4 o'clock in the afternoon. Just thought I'd take another video of the bird garden before I leave. This is the library building. The building also houses lapidary facilities, silversmithing facilities, and stained glass workshop is also in this building. Multitasking, multifunctional, I guess you'd say. So this is the way up to the library. There's a new door and window put in the library this year. It's a good sized library. These tables are for the people that do picture puzzles. This female cardinal has decided doesn't like the reflection it sees in the window. And this is almost non-stop behavior. Back door of the library. Tried to pull a variety of food out for the birds. It's oranges, there's peanut butter in this little container. We've got more oranges. We've got hummingbird feeders. There's 3 hummingbird feeders. Sunflower seeds. A nice water drip. Continuous. And then we've planted a lot of flowers. Quite a few butterfly weed in here. Couldn't even begin to tell you the names of the flowers and plants that are in here. But a lot of them are going to grow to be fairly tall. We attach some branches to the fence. Try to provide a kind of a naturalized habitat. And the birds just seem to love it. They just come in here in droves. And this is Diana Miller. She's the curator of the bird and butterfly garden here at the library. Without her, none of this would have been possible. We'll see what it looks like next year.